Apple announced price increases for Apple Music as well as two of its Apple One bundles. But is it still worth it? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Apple offers a broad range of services ranging from Apple TV to Apple Music, Apple Fitness Plus, and more. And Apple One lets you bundle those together at lower prices. Apple Music offers you access to over 100 million songs for $11.99 per month. Meanwhile, Apple TV offers many TV shows and movies for $12.99 per month, and Apple Fitness Plus is a digital fitness platform with video workouts across 12 different workout types, costing $9.99 per month. Apple Arcade comes with 200 plus games without in-app purchases or ads for $6.99 per month. Apple News Plus gives top stories and publications, daily puzzles, and in-depth recipes for $12.99 per month. And iCloud Plus stores Apple Invites, iCloud Private Relay, My Email, Custom Email Domain, and HomeKit Secure Video. But instead of these individual prices, Apple offers 3 different tiers of Apple One: Individual, Family, and Premier to bundle up to 6 Apple subscriptions for one price. Apple One individual plan includes Apple TV, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, iCloud Plus, and with 50 GB of storage for $19.95 instead of $32.96. Apple One Family lets Apple TV, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, and iCloud Plus with 200 GB to be shared between 5 people for $27.95 instead of $42.96. Meanwhile, Apple One Premier is also shared with up to 5 people and offers Apple TV, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, Apple Fitness Plus, Apple News Plus, and iCloud Plus with 2 TB of storage for $39.95 instead of $72.94. Whether it's worth it for you or not largely depends on which Apple services you find useful. Are you an Apple One subscriber? If so, which services do you find yourself using? Let us know in the comments. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.